In now it is part 2 of the hard drive video. I am showing you what circuit is used to make our main PCB of hard drive. Now there is a system. So you can see there are IC which is SRAM 32 kilobyte 2.5 dB with one metal IC of this chip, and this is the main processor which is little bit zoom so it's a huge circuit I made at 23 hours to make. So you can see there are numbers of this IC. Maybe it is invisible and right there, but there is Samsung tape 464 H638H. So there are Samsung, and there is L motor driver IC which is, let me wait, smooth L254. There are IC, and there is a main connector for 4-phase motor, and there is a small little ICs, and some component is missing because it says if made up down PCB says to make up down hard drive up downs, we need to add these components. So you can see there are our main connector for back side, because this is a touch point. You can see there are connectors some which is H2 or H3 I think, or this jumper, or this jumper, jumper 4, jumper 6, or right there is this jumper 1 and jumper 3, and these jumper for test points, and these jumper also. There are also these jumper, few jumpers are out. This is an input jumper right there, which means it is not a jumper but it is a jumper type, but there is an input for one pin of the. This is a mechanical select switch, which means pin jumper to jump the pin to factory jumpers of the hard drive main board. There is a 1 point there, and other one is not a factory jumpers. There are test leads, but I am shown in there in jumpers where there is a 4-phase motor, and there is some unknown resistance. Although our capacitor is unknown the value, because there are SMD capacitance, there I cannot show which capacitance, which volt and which current is. So it is used a device capacitor testing machine to test these components value, but I don't have this, so I can use in question marks. And you can see, although there I made a mistake, so there are also pin for data pins like there, but I am joined together, and after I realized that there are also a plug to connect there. What happens when all the data goes to this chip? This chip can process the data and feed this memory IC SRAM. It will boost the data and reboost to put back in. So it is controlled by these 3 serial clock line, serial data line, and MISO or MOSI to control this chip, communicate with I2C interface, which can, what is I2C interface? I2C interface, which interface you can tell by 2 objects with less amount of wires and less amount of energy. So there are communicated by these 2 or 3 wires, and this can drive this motor. This is L2, let me look, 1215 smooth 1215 IC to drive this motor. It is 2 amps overload short circuit protection IC is used to this drive motor. There are 4-phase motor when one is joined to there and there, because I not draw line, there is make a mess when if I draw this line. So you can see there are a couple of unknown. These are missed resistors, which means there are only footprint is mounting the circuit board, but component is missed. These components are value missed, but component is present, like the resistance form. And there are tiny little IC. Maybe I am thinking there are but IC is there which connect with the switching, but that module to drive this motor with input low voltage to output step up, because there are a coil cross the IC and IC cross other two capacitors to this bigger motor driver. I cannot find the small IC datasheet. I am also see 79 pages of or 5 to 10 pages, but they are not so special because there are this IC will power with this 4-phase motor with there are some shunt resistance to motor can check current, which amount of current used at this motor, and there are some jumpers, test jumper, and although this jumper is also true all after jump test point, meaning first side of circuit board is painted with circuit and back side is test points with wire cross the through all to PCB one side to setting side. We after side setting side after is connect a test point. I am connect a front side test points because there are same thing but that directly go to first side to back side. We are through all to back side to add some points which measure the multimeter voltage or any machine testing, but I am draw on only fronts. This is a circuit diagram, and there is these two inputs. There are jack which is not, I am folding it to print, but there's go to this chip with data, and there are some other chip which is I am search it, but there's no any kind of data sheet, special data sheet according these three chips. And there are not chip, there are sensor plug. So there are sensor plug which can hold the CD reader is there, and there are 3 pins for test points and 1 point for to set in other one, and these two for join together, and there are a common ground input, and there are output for this output as well as this chip signal, and there are 3 capacitors for extra stability of this chip. There are another capacitor across this chip, and there are some 12 pin is missing. So there are only 12 pin, this 12 pin is not. There are other resistors which connect in there to their resistor and this. Now I'm sure. So you can see there are some source of regulator, but I am not sure this regulator is. There are 3 pins. One pin is with one unknown resistor with unknown capacitor with 6AE97E diode to ground, right, and I think not ground, with this motor 4 pin phase number 4, and also with 2 resistors, one resistor is 1 ohm and one resistor is 1 kilo ohm to other diode, which diode is unknown number, but I am type is 1 and 4007 maybe, but it's not. Alright, and some 2 in series. This capacitor is an unknown value is, and there are some jumpers like there are capacitor, and there are few capacitor across these that there are unknown value. Our capacitor in this circuit is unknown value. So there are some resistors with the capacitor to which with this reference set by these chips. So there are missed resistor which is missed, and these jumpers are of these, meaning these two tracks are joined. I not bridged, and there is a ground layer in center which can make a problem. And yes, it is also ground because there are this track is ground, like there is though there, and also there all these capacitors as well as this motor driver as well as there. And now you can see easily there are bits with these pin numbers. One is, so there are, you can see there are two wires, only two wires up for two wires down to read the sensor. The sensor point connect two wires there and two wires there. These two wires is pin number 13, 14 or 13, 14 or 21 or 22. These. And there are some sorts of connector which I already tell you they are miss. I forgot to mate. And there are also a connector which is I also forgot to mate. And there are some unknown ICs which is no IC is also missed. Footprint is available but IC is missed. This is also missed footprint. And you can clearly see by rolling the paper, you can see this one is too big for my camera. So it's, you can if you like to track yourself, I also lastly add the pictures you can see in yourself on take a screenshot to reverse copy or reverse in your own self. Let me